Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Naninga. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing the clean girl aesthetic. For those who don't know what that aesthetic is, I am going to insert a video clip of exactly what I'm talking about. And as you can see from the video clip, the hair is quite neat, or basically the videos that I've seen, like the hair has to be pulled back, it has to be tight. I understand that I am not a girl, so this is basically going to be a clean girl, clean woman aesthetic for my case. Yeah, so make sure you're subscribed, guys, and let's tune in. Yeah, basically I'm starting off with my hair. As you can see, I'm struggling to brush this wig. We have to tame this hair. It has to lie down. Relax, trust the process. I understand that it does look a bit messy at the front. I glued this wig down myself about 2 days ago, so it's already started lifting. And right now what I'm basically using is a gel. Yes, I know some of you will tell me, why don't you use mousse, blah 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 mousse. Yes, I'm aware that mousse does a better job for hair, but I do not have mousse right now, but I do have gel. Yeah, so basically I'm using a nice and lovely gel to glue that hair down. Not glue it, but just, you know, tame the hairs, because it's wild hair. I think this was just definitely an Indian wig. Like, that hair is just too much. But anyway, I'm brushing it in with I'm just using a toothbrush basically to remove any flyaways. Okay, I've tried my best, guys. So next we are going to do the back. So I'm just going to tie the back in a bun, like a neat bun. So that's what I'm basically doing. I've used a scrunchie to like put it together and then tie it around the scrunchie. So from the little clip that I showed you, basically you brush your eyebrows up, and then you, for those of you who have bushy eyebrows, just brush them up. For those of you who don't have eyebrows like me, make sure that you fill them in, but still brush them up. Like, basically it's supposed to be look as natural as possible. Basically those soapy brows, that's what you're going for. So make sure that you do some soapy brows. And I'm also using the same gel that I used on my hair. That's the gel I'm using for my brows because I don't have an eyebrow gel. So basically, eyebrow gel has the word gel in it. So basically, any gel can do, I think, for as long as you take care that doesn't enter your eyes. Because eyes are sensitive maybe to hair products and stuff. So I'm just using that gel that I use to make sure that they stick up. So we are done with the brows. And the next step, you're not supposed to use any foundation. But who am I? Who am I not to use any foundation? So basically I'm using this very, very little foundation. And I'm using my normal foundation, which is by Clinique, which is the Even Better foundation. And this is the shade Spice. As you can see, I've literally put a drop so that it's not visible. Because for this look, you're actually not supposed to use foundation. But some of us, our skins are so still healing from horrors. So I'm just addicted, basically, guys. There's no excuse. I had to use foundation. Then next, okay, basically I'm just using a sponge, as you can see. But next, we are going to do concealer. Now, in those video clips it's just that I didn't show you guys the entire video clip, but the concealer was very, very little, extremely little, like legit, it was negligible. So it's just like to brighten your under eyes and stuff and just give you a more youthful look, basically. So as you can see, I've used very little concealer, and the concealer I've used is actually the Maybelline concealer in the shade, it's the Fit Me concealer, and that's the shade Caramel. So I'm just using a brush basically to tap it in. And then after the concealer, we are definitely doing blush, because blush apparently is a natural look even for us guys. But let me know, George, let me know, George. Yeah, before we use the blush, sorry, before we use the blush, we are just going to do a coat of mascara for our eyes. If you guys have noticed, there is no eyeshadow in this look. Basically, you want to look like a flawless teenager, or not even a teenager, so flawless girl. Yeah, a flawless girl. So basically, just put a coat of mascara on your upper and lower lashes, and that's it. And in fact, most people don't even do their lower lashes for this look. Just do your upper lashes and that's it. Yeah, and then basically me, I could not escape doing the lower lashes. You people know me, I had to do my lower lashes. And then after that is when we're going to do the blush. And for blush, I'm using the Crayola. Did I mention the mascara I used? I don't think I mentioned it. That is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara in the shade Black. And this blush that I'm using here is by Crayola. As you can see, it's shaped like a crayon or a child's crayon, basically. What better item to use for a girl look, basically a girly look. So basically I'm using the Crayola lip and cheek colors, and this is their strawberry shade. And after applying it as blush, I'm going to use a cream highlighter. That's not technically a cream, but it's still the Crayola lip and cheek colors, but it has highlight in it, and that's their Mango Tango shade. And then I'm just taking a brush, basically that's an angle brush, and I'm just using it to tap it in. I'm not swiping, as you guys have noticed. I'm just tapping it in. And after tapping it in, you get a very rosy hue. We are finally done, guys. I'm telling you, this look is the shortest possible look. If I already had snatched hair, this would have taken me literally 2 minutes, because the hair has taken like 4 or 5 minutes, legit. So basically what I'm using is a dark brown pencil to outline my lips. Now I'm supposed to create a natural lip, but as usual, I had to flop the naturalness using like a red lip, but it's not a red lip as such. It's a gloss. It's by Revlon, and it kind of gets transparent when you apply it. That's why I chose it. So this is their vinyl lip polishes, and I've forgotten the name of this shade, but if I remember, I'll put it in the description box below. So basically this lip polish, as you can see, turns kind of translucent, so it's not so, you know, artificial. But here is the finished look, guys. Tell me what you think about it. So basically it's supposed to look as natural as possible, or as girly or childish as possible. Yeah, thank you for watching.